Are you tired of your digital photos, just sitting on your computer or mobile device, never to be seen again? Introducing the art of creating stunning photo books. First, let's talk about composition. When selecting photos for your book, choose a variety of perspectives and angles to create visual interest. Mix close-ups with wide shots to provide a sense of depth and dimension. Don't forget about the power of captions. Include meaningful captions to provide context and enhance the storytelling. Whether it's a funny anecdote or a heartfelt sentiment, captions bring your photos to life. Now let's talk about color. Play around with different color schemes to create a cohesive look. Use complementary colors to make your images pop, or go for a monochromatic theme for a more minimalist approach. Next, consider the layout. Arrange your photos in a way that tells a story. Group similar images together to create visually appealing spreads. Be mindful of the size and orientation of your photos to maintain balance throughout the book. Lastly, choose the right materials. Opt to high-quality paper and durable binding options to ensure your photo book stands the test of time. The feel and texture of the paper can add an extra layer of artistry to your masterpiece. So get ready to unleash your creativity and transform your digital photos into an exquisite photo book. With these tips and tricks, you'll be able to create stunning keepsakes that will be cherished for generations to come. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring content.